After seeing China's special axle making process, now I see why China dominates global machinery. One axle process outperforms Western barriers. If used in war, it could become the strongest defense industry. First step at Shandong's large auto parts group. Workers heat alloy steel tubes to 1100 degrees. Then transfer to the pressure platform. Rollers in the box apply pressure all around. After shaping changes occur, a push rod ejects it. Look, this steel tube resembles seamless pipe. With a bit more, it could fly. Next is the cold drawing process. A rear push rod forces it forward. Under roller pressure, the round tube becomes square instantly. To improve steel structure toughness, it's heated again. Then placed in liquid, for rapid cooling. Steam rising 10 meters shows this job isn't easy. Then transported forward, entering the third process. The highlight is here. Machines remove all surface oxidation layers. To enhance overall quality, workers use hydraulic presses to align the axle. Move to a CNC platform. Manually start the lathe switch. Cut one side to specified dimensions. Use calipers to measure inner shaft diameter, ensuring no error at all. Then continue cutting. After axle threads are formed, next comes the most crucial step, medium frequency quenching. Medium frequency quenching heats specific points. Induction coils rapidly heat the shaft. Then spray liquid on one side. Once cooled, the rear axle's performance changes. So it's a unique quenching process. But this process has risks. So detectors check for surface flaws, ensuring no cracks in steel crystals. Now you can see the quenching difference. Then proceed to the next step, one side grinding. Here, workers grind the surface into a slope, and use calipers to check dimensions. What breaks most in this factory? Definitely calipers, one per worker. Every step requires inspection. In China, this is quite impressive. Now on to welding. First, secure brake plates to the axle base. Install one on each side. Then hoist and move to the welding platform. Workers' protection measures are thorough. Masks and hard hats are always worn. Then place steel plates in the axle middle. Since this is a critical spot, only experienced masters manually secure it. Then tap to check, ensuring the weld is strong. Now start the welder. Machine welding reinforces the brake base. Then check left and right, ensuring welds are firm. Then hoist and stack them together. Now let's see the details. From the video, you can see great effort in material selection. Such axles can last years in mines. Then hydraulic testing follows. The factory uses vibration to test damage from bumps. Next, assemble the camshaft. This mainly controls the brake adjuster arm. One is installed on each side of the rear axle. Now, start the exterior treatment. Traditionally, these are painted black. Orange paint is indeed rare, but it looks quite nice. Once the paint dries and hardens, they're hoisted and placed on racks. Now, we're in the assembly shop. Workers first place the bushing into the rear hub. Then press firmly, joining the two parts as one. It's carried out, and moved to the next station. Carrying these all day is tiring. Each must weigh about 10 pounds. Then, studs are inserted into the round holes. A light tap sets them partway in. Then a firm press drives all studs fully home. It's moved again, and grease is packed into the inner ring. Now, the worker brings the brake drum. This controls the truck's braking system. The brake drum is placed over the rear hub. Large nuts are taken out and screwed onto the studs. Simple, just secure it. A large tool then tightens all nuts at once. The benefit of automation is clear. At this point, the brake disc is also installed. The worker brings the rear hub assembly. It's pushed inward to join. Grease is applied to the inner shaft edge. The tool restarts to tighten screws. That's the axle assembly process. Each step showcases craftsmanship. Every detail reflects perfection. Such exquisite Chinese manufacturing. What do you think?